She gave me life, showed me what was right, taught me not to fight the battles that weren't worth the fight. Right from the start, she held me close, and as time went on, she was strong enough to let me go. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. There's nothing in the world like a mother's love. She filled every need, made my life complete. And time again, she was with me to the end. She'll believe your dreams, however hard they seem. When you'd almost given up, she was there to lift you up. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. Oh, there's nothing in the world like a mother's love, and she would do it all again for the chance to help you win. She was the one who gave it all. She was the one through every fall. There's nothing you can do that will change her love for you. When the world comes crashing down, her love will pull you through. There's nothing you can say that will take her love away. Through the heartache and the pain, it was her love that still remained. Her love is gonna shine through everything. Oh, there's nothing in the world like a mother's love. I bet you could have used a minute, just a little time alone. But you let me be your little shadow, following wherever you would go. Then I got a little older, and you gave me space to grow. I don't ever seem to tell you enough, but I want you to know, when God made you my mother, He knew who I'd need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. I come to you with all my secrets, and you never ever judge. And when I'm falling in my weakness, you give me strength to stand back up. No amount of miles could separate us. No place where I don't feel your love. You say I'm the gift that heaven gave you, but mama, I'm the lucky one. 'Cause when God made you my mother, He knew who I need. When He picked you from the others, He could already see that you would be my hero and everything I wanna be. When God made you my mother, He was being good to me. If I'm ever a mother, I wanna be like you.
This day po, enjoy niyo po ang araw ninyo. Love you po, Advance po.
Good evening. My name is Jewel May B. Quinto. I'm the daughter of Pastor Wency Quinto, and I greet her Happy Mother's Day. I love her very much. Thank
Hello, Ma. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Anong mga oras mo makita to? May gusto lang akong sabihin sa inyo para sa Mother's Day. Thank you po sa pag-giving birth to us, to me. And thank you sa mga suporta niyo sa akin, sa amin. Tapos, thank you din po sa palaging pag-pray para sa amin. Thank you din po dahil sa patnubay niyo sa amin. Thank you sa pag-invite niyo sa mga church activities, kaya alam na namin ang Word of God's. And stay healthy, stay beautiful. More blessings to come to you, Mama. And stay take care of your health. Yun na lang. Take care of your health. And don't give up. Meron kami dito. Kung may problema man kayo, magsabi kayo sa amin. Nakikinig po kami. Tapos thank you din sa pag-aalaga sa akin ng ilang months. Tapos thank you din sa pagpunta ng abroad para makatulong sa pamilya nyo. Ganon. Happy Mother's Day. Yun lang, Ma. Bye-bye. Peace.
Good morning, Ma. Happy Mother's Day. Salamat sa mga sakripisyo nyo, Ma, sa amin ni Ading. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo. Alam ko na naghirap kayo dyan, Ma. At nagsa-self-pity kayo dahil wala kayo dito. Pero wag kayo mag-self-pity, Ma. Meron naman si nanay dito na nag-aalaga sa amin. Binabantayan kami, pinapagalitan, nagsasabihan, yung mga yun. And salamat din sa mga prayers, Ma. Prayers sa amin ni Ading, si nanay, kami, pamilya mo. And babawi ako, Ma. Ireregalo ko tong pag-graduate ko in the future. Siyempre. Tapos kahit man broken family tayo, kaya pa rin yan. Just trust the Lord. Malampasan din natin yan. And alam ko na in the future matatapos din to. And nandito ka na nag-aalaga sa amin, pinagsasabihan yung mga yon. And kami din lang din ang mag-aalaga sa iyo in the future na Ading. At gusto kitang ma-retire, Ma, sa trabaho nyo. in the future para naman, mababawi ako sa inyo. Yun lang ma, masasabi ko, ngayon lang. We love you ma, we love you so much. I love you daw, sabi ni Ading, kahit di niya sinabi kanina. I miss you also ma. And again, Happy Mother's Day ma. We love you.
Pasensya ka na kung masyado kong pasaway, laging bumaba yung grades, pero thank you din kasi never mo akong hinayaan, never mo akong na pressure, hindi mo ako pinapagalitan dahil mababa yung grades ko. I am blessed na ikaw yung naging nanay na kahit napapagalitan mo ko. Sorry po kung masyado masaway. Napangako ko na gagawin ko lahat ng mga kaya ko para matupad yung pangarap ko na maging businessman. At gagawin ko po lahat ng mga kaya ko para maging pastor din, kagaya niyo, at makapag-ipon din para sa mga bagay, matulungan din si Kuya sa pagdodoktor na para matupad yung mga gusto nyo na gawin na goal namin. I'm very thankful na hindi kayo strict ni Daddy sa amin. And maraming salamat sa lahat. Thank you.
Hello Mami, happy Mother's Day. Salamat sa iyong pag-aaruga na walang kapalit. Salamat sa pag-iintindi mo sa amin. At salamat sa mga sakripisyong ginawa mo. Kahit na mahirap yun. Salamat din na tulungan mo kami sa aming mga gawain sa school, bahay, at natutulungan mo kami maging mabuting tao, mabuting anak, mabuting kaibigan. Salamat din sa mga regalong binigay mo sa mga nakaraang panahon. Salamat kahit na mayroon kang kapansanan, hindi ka nagtigil na mag-aruga sa amin. Salamat.
Pagbati sa lahat ng ina sa Bread of Life Ministry. Maligayang araw ng mga ina sa lahat ng mga kamaanghamanghang mga ina ngayon. Gusto kong mabigay ng special na pasasalamat sa aking ina si Juliet. Sa lahat na ang ginagawa niya para sa akin at sa aking mga kapatid. Mahal kita na nanay, kahit pa alir ka minsan. May God give you more blessings. I love you and happy Mother's Day. If I messed up any of that Tagalog, it is Google's fault, not mine. You told me to study on Google, so I love you. Thank you for all you do.
Everyone, my name is Sofia Meno. I'm here to greet my mommy, Tony, a happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. You are one of the most inspiring people I know. You've been such an amazing role model to so many. You're a wonderful combination of warmth, love, and kindness. Happy Mother's Day. I love you.
So, happy Mother's Day sa lahat ng mga kananayan and especially sa aking mama na si Mami Telgo. So, nagpapasalamat lang ako kasi kahit na single mother siya is nakakaya niyang taguyod yung napakalaking pamilya namin. Imagine, 8 kami magkakapatid. Tatatagoy niya yun. Especially ngayon, college ako. Siya yung tumutulong sa akin na pagbayad ng tuition ko, respectfully ka pa man sa akin na araw-araw na kailangan. Saka yung mga bagay na mga pangarap ko rin kasi, sinusuportahan niya naman. Medyo strict, pero gano'n naman talaga lahat ng nanay. Strict kasi, syempre, sino ba naman yung hindi ko gustuhin yung mabuti para sa anak nila. No, sa lahat ng nanay at sa mga anak na nanonood dito, mahalin niyo yung magulang niyo kasi sila lang yung makakaramay niyo, bagtat ka, or sila yung pwede nung napitan sa mga advice. Hindi man sakto yung mabibigay nila at mayroong presence ng magulang, especially mama. So, Happy Mother's Day sa lahat at ulit kay Mama. Happy Mother's Day and thank you sa lahat.
Growing up, parang hindi ko matanto kung gaano kalaki ang ginawa mo para mapanatiling maayos ang ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. Now I grow up, hanga ako sa lahat ng ginawa mo para sa amin at lalo na akong humanga sa iyo. Salamat, Inay, and Happy Mother's Day.
Magandang araw po o magandang gabi, Pastor Benji at Pastor Ronnie at sa lahat na din. Meron lang po akong konting mensahe para sa aking inay. Gusto ko lang po sabihin, Nay, na maraming salamat po talaga sa lahat ng pagmamahal at suporta niyo sa akin. Sa tuwing kasama po kita, puno ng saya ang buhay ko. Salamat po sa lahat ng yakap at ngiti na nagbibigay liwanag sa buhay namin. Lubos din po akong nagpapasalamat sa inyong walang sawang pag-aaruga at pag-unawa sa akin. Wishing you the best po, Nay, sa paparating na Mother's Day. Sana po ay maging masaya ka at patuloy kang maging inspirasyon sa amin at maging sa iba pa. Mag-ingat po kayo palagi at sana ay ma-enjoy at maging masayahin po kayo sa inyong espesyal na araw ng mga nanay. Muli, Happy Mother's Day po at iba pang mga nanay dyan. Maraming salamat.
Today, I want to take a moment to celebrate the incredible force that is motherhood. To all the mothers out there who fill our lives with love and light, we are all grateful to you. Your unwavering dedication and nurturing spirit has shaped the world in profound ways. May this Mother's Day be a reflection of the beauty and strength you bring into our lives. And to my own cherished mother, your love has been my greatest gift. Thank you for loving me without waiting for anything in return. You have brought me closer to God and brought me true peace in my life. Even though I didn't fully accept you at first, you never overlooked that and slowly just made me understand things little by little. I am grateful to you and I hope that I can get to know you more as time passes by. Happy Mother's Day, Mom!
Mother's Day po sa mama kong si Mama Gloan Paulino Gulya na nagmamahal sa amin at nagsasakripisyo. Mama, Happy Mother's Day po sa'yo. Yun lang po. Happy Mother's Day po sa inyong lahat.
Hello po sa ating lahat. Nice ko pong bumati ng Happy Mother's Day po sa mga nanay na I am the bread of life. Especially po sa aking asawa, Pastora Gloan. Maraming salamat, mahal, sa sobrang pagmamahal mo sa amin ng ating mga anak. At ganun din kami sa'yo. Sobrang mahal na mahal ka namin at namimiss ka na namin makasama. Yun lang. Happy Mother's Day and I love you.
Hi Ma, Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for all the sacrifices that you've done to us. And kahit wala ka dito, lagi mong tatandaan na mahal ka namin, Mama. We miss you, Mama. I love you.
Thank you for watching over me. All of the sleepless nights you live. Thank you for knowing when to hold me close and when to let me go. Thank you for every stepping stone on the path that leads me home. I thank you for the time you took to see the heart inside me. You gave me words to start this life, and you gave me wings to fly, and I learned to dream because you believe in me. There's no power like an honor, no treasure but its worth. Give mother's love. Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Love you. May hihigit pa ba sa isang katulad mo? Inang mapagmahal na totoo. Lahat ng buti ay naroon sa puso mo. Buhay man ay handang ialay mo. Matitiis ang isang anak. Ika'y dakila at higit ka sa lahat. Ang awit na ito ay alay ko sa'yo. Ang himig at titig ay pag-ibig sa puso ko. Ikaw lang sa mundo ang may pusong wagas, ganyan ang tulad mo. Lahat ibibigay, lahat gagawin mo. Ganyan lagi ikaw sa anak mo. Lahat ng buti niya ang laging hangat mo. Patawad ay lagi sa puso mo. Walang inang matitiis ang isang anak.